I'm RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Talon with me, and this is one of my cute sons. Anyway, we are doing a perm on him, okay? We will do a haircut on him next, but I want to show you how I'm going to do his perm. Okay, so all this is long, and then obviously this is short, so we're going to do all of this. Okay, I start here in the back. Okay, I love this because it holds your papers. Anyway, and then I spray. And we are using the white rods just because he doesn't want it kinky curly, but white will be a good looking curl, so we are doing white. Okay, again, I'm going to come back this way. So these first two are just going to be straight back, okay? Again, I'm going to spray that. And you guys, when you perm, you want to roll at the same time. So you're going to grab, roll, put your hands together, and then roll again. Okay, you don't want to sway back and forth. And if you've permed, you know what I mean. Like sometimes you go like this, back and forth. Do it this way, okay? Just like that. Okay, so those two are back. Now I'm going to come this way. And you're going to want to do it the way the haircut is, okay? I'm wanting the curls to kind of come to the side. So these two are back, but then we're going to bring these curls down, and then we're going to do rows this way, so it will all kind of come and fall this way, okay? So, underneath I'm going to do... Okay, I was going to show you guys too. Let me bring these down here. You want the section to be as wide as the curler, okay? So you can go like that, and that's as wide as you want the section. You don't want it too wide, because then it obviously won't get curled decent and down to the root the way you want it curled. Okay, so again, you're gonna take both fingers, twist, and twist, okay? Okay, the other one, put the paper on, spray it. Right here, I hold the paper with my thumbs until I roll it, okay? Then I take both of my thumbs and roll. Okay, so I'm going to go to my second section here. Okay, same thing. I will do one more rod here, and then we'll jump off so you don't get bored watching me roll the same thing, and then I will get back on and walk you through the rest, okay? Again, wet that down. Twist with both fingers. Both thumbs, I guess. Well, they're all fingers. Okay, again, I'm just going to take my sections this way so they can be rolled towards me, okay? So I'm going to do that, and then we will, in fact, let me turn you this way so you can see. See this? So his hair is coming from the right to the left. So I did this down the back, so it kind of hangs down. Then everything else I'm rolling to the left because he's wanting to style it to the left. So anyway, I will finish rolling this, and then we will get back to you for more stuff. Thanks. Hi, we are back with Talon and his perm. So what I'm going to do now is just take some cotton, and I'm going to go around these rods. Okay, and then I'm going to take the waving lotion. Okay, and you're just going to go over each rod. Make sure it's covered well. This is fun. We've done this to him a couple of times and it really looks good on him. And so I'm like, oh my gosh, we need to record this for the website. And a lot of guys are doing this now. You can have him tilt back. Oh, in fact, I am going to hurry and grab this, you guys. I forgot to put one around his neck. And you definitely want one around his neck. I have one underneath the cape, but I put one underneath the cape and on top. Okay, and then just lean your head back a little. Okay, and then after you saturate all of them, make sure they're good and covered. Then you take the bag, and you guys, it's different too with your perms. You know, you'll see if it's like tinted hair, or you know how long you're supposed to leave them on. His hair is not tinted. We're supposed to leave it on for 20 minutes, okay? But I am going to check him in 15 minutes. But as soon as you hold that rod up and you kind of let it bounce a little bit, if it has the S shape in it, you're good to go, good to rinse. So anyway, but I'm going to leave him on for 20 minutes, but I'm going to check him in 15 and then we'll go from there. Thank you. Okay, you guys, we are back. So I waited the 20 minutes, we rinsed him, then I dried him really good. You want to towel blot this really, really good. And then I put the cotton back around, and then we're going to put the neutralizer on this, and you want to leave it on for 5 minutes. Okay, and then after you wait, and double check it again just to be sure. If not, you can wait just a little bit longer, not much though. Anyway, after you do that, then I'm going to just take I'm going to move him to the sink. Then I take the rods out. And then I'm just going to take my hands, kind of, you know, get the neutralizer in there good. And then I'm going to rinse 3 to 5 minutes in warm water. The other thing is do not wash with shampoo for 48 hours. And yes, you can get it wet. It doesn't mean you can't get it wet. You just don't want to wash with shampoo for 48 hours. If you have even longer and you like to do like the men buns or whatever, man bun, don't do that. Wait 48 hours. You don't want anything tight in a perm, any bobby pins, anything. So just wait it out the 48 hours, but yes, you may wet it down. So again, I'm going to take this after 5 minutes. I'm going to take the rods out. Then you just kind of put your hands through his hair. Then you rinse 3 to 5 minutes with warm water. And then after that, you just kind of comb it out. Well, actually, we're going to do a haircut, so you're going to see that. But, and then just don't shampoo for 48 hours. So we will see you back at the haircut, and then you're going to see the ending product. So thank you so much. Hey, you guys, so now we are done with Talon. I was super excited about this because any teenager, whatever, is just in style right now. It's great. Anyway, so perm for any guys or teenagers, a little bit longer on the top, short sides. It'll be great. So I am going to use a number 3 on Talon. I just hold this hair out of the way. Kind of come back in a straight line there. Just back that way and then come up to it, to the line. And you guys can decide how far up you would like it. So we go, you know, quite a ways up here. Just hold this hair down so you don't get that. Okay. Just keep coming along here. if you guys want, you know, you can part it off before you start the haircut, so you know exactly where you're cutting and what you're doing. Okay, I'm just going to kind of push his hair to the side here. I like to take the end of the attachment there and just go along that line. See how I did that? This edge. And I just like to go along there and then just bring the clipper up to that. So yeah, I've had a lot of guys ask for this. It's been really fun to have a change. Yeah, then you can go back through, make sure there isn't any sticking up anywhere. Okay. Anyway, now what I'm going to do is take the trimmers. I'm going to come along the side. Go around his ear. I do like to go a little bit on an angle for Talon. Some people like it like super square, but I kind of angle in there. Just have them put their head down. Okay, go around this ear again. You can also hold that down if you need to. Okay, I do want to show you guys. So Talon's hair grows in. Can you guys see that? What you're going to want to do with that, because it's hard to get with the clippers, I'm going to come in this way and go against the way it grows. And see how that holds that hair up? And then I'm just going to take a little bit off that way. And you want to do that so it stays, you know, tighter to their head, so it doesn't grow out as fast just in those spots. You might not notice right at first, but when it starts growing, you definitely will. So, okay, perfect. Now what I want to do, you guys, oh, actually I do want to trim this top though. He still wants it long, but we do need to trim this top. So I'm just going to come over here and go down the middle and just make your guideline with that back piece. And then when you hold the next section up, you can see that guideline. And then this just takes, you know, those little ends off. Then I like to just come on the side. And you can connect this top with the side. Just kind of go on an angle a little. Anyway, it just gets those little ends off so it's nice and fresh looking. And it really does make a difference if you just take a little bit of the ends off. Some people don't like it trimmed after, and you really should, for sure. This way I'm just going to pull him down in the front a little. Just going to cross. Going to point cut into that a little. Okay, perfect. Now I want to show you guys, okay, so what we want to put on this is from Monate. You guys, this is new, most incredible thing ever. This is Moxie Magnifying Mousse, okay, and we're going to put this in Talon's hair. You don't need much. In fact, you probably didn't need that much, but we're putting it in. Anyway, just rub that through. And it will give it the smell, yum. Anyway, that will give it the look that you want. Some people don't like product in after they get a perm. I do a little bit because just so it doesn't go kind of frizzy looking. Anyway, I love that look. So, and he can, you know, we permed it off to the side. If you want to kind of push it that way, that's totally fine. If you want it to dry just down, whatever works. Anyway, you guys, so this is a great hairstyle for guys, this perm. And don't forget to like and share the page, please. And check out the products, you guys, that we have, our product line. And there's also a link there if you would like to buy it. And if you have any questions about the products, just let us know. But thank you so much for watching, and we will talk to you soon.